Today we're going to talk about mixing Annie Sloan chalk paint for shades, which means to mix any color, not just Annie Sloan's, but any color with varying amounts of black. You're going to move from the color to solid black, so you're going to mix different amounts. Usually when I start mixing paints, until I get a feel for it, I'll do it on a palette or a piece of paper rather than on the furniture itself. That also gives me a reference if I want to go back later on and see how I actually achieved a color. So this is about in equal amounts. This is a little less. You can see it's moving more towards the blue. This is more of a navy. Whenever you mix colors, it's good to add your black to the color rather than the other way around. Black is a very strong, highly pigmented color, and it will overwhelm almost any other color. So I usually start with trying to do equal amounts and then gradually add more black, so you can see how it moves from blue over here to solid black. Once I decide the color that I want and I've made a note of it, let's say equal parts, blue and black, I'll use any kind of a measurement. You can use a spoon or an ounce or a cup. It's best to always mix small amounts as long as you know what your measurements are, because this paint covers a lot of surface and you don't want to have to save a lot of leftover paint. So here we've got equal parts graphite and Napoleonic blue in a solo cup mixed together. And once you get it thoroughly mixed, which is easy to do, just always test it to make sure and let it dry, because it looks different when wet.